Tenant states, my dishwasher won't drain. I don't even have to tell you how bad this smells. I am sure the camera does it justice. So, I don't even need to verify the concern. I can see it. I can visually see the concern. So we're just going to pop out this rear check valve. This is going to be the issue. I know that because I have already filmed this video and I'm recording the audio later. Gonna put some new wheels on since they were all basically falling apart. I'm actually amazed at how long tenants can live without almost any wheels on their rack. It makes it such a pain in the butt to roll it out back and forth, but I'm gonna throw one of my sanitizing pods in here for them, get rid of that smell, and run it through an entire cycle. This one's all set, and on to the next one.